This installation is the same for Ensemble Medley Shower, Ensemble Curve Shower, and Ensemble Store Plus showers. These are the tools and materials required for installation. Follow all local plumbing and building codes. Install on an adequately supported subfloor. If the subfloor is not level or access to shim is difficult, install with approximately 1 inch of Type N or Type S mortar that covers the base and contact area. Construct a plumb stud pocket 1/8 inch to 1/4 inch wider than the nominal product size. Refer to the rough-in information in the installation guide for additional guidance. Install the rough plumbing in the stud pocket and the drain to the shower base. If provided, place the felt pad on the subfloor, ensuring it will contact all support feet. It is recommended to staple or tape the felt pad to the subfloor to prevent it from moving. The following are not acceptable alternatives to the felt pad or mortar cement: expanding spray foam, gypsum plaster, thin set mortar, or roofing felt. Next, using a utility knife, cut the felt pad for the drain hole. Lift and position the shower base in the stud pocket. With the unit level, shim under the support feet as needed. This step is not required for a mortar bed installation. Confirm bases level side to side and front to back. Install plastic attachment clips at all remaining stud locations using truss head screws. Ensure the base rim and slots are free of debris. Insert the tabs from the back wall into the slots on the base. Do not secure the back wall at this time. Measure the placement for the valve cutout. The walls have a valve center line molded into the back side, indicating the front to back location of the drain. Drill a hole of the appropriate size for your valve along the center line on the back of the wall. To avoid shipping the wall material, ensure your final cut is from the front side of the wall. Verify that the dry block seal is installed, undamaged, and fully seated. To make installing the walls easier, temporarily remove the valve cartridge from the valve body and shower head rough-in plumbing. Ensure the water to the valve is turned off prior to removing the valve cartridge. Ensure the base rim and slots are free of debris. With the top of the end wall 2 inches above the top of the back wall, engage the interlock flange and gently slide the end wall down, inserting the tabs of the end wall into the slots on the shower base. Confirm end walls are seated properly. Ensure the gap at the front corners between the end walls and the base does not exceed 1/32 of an inch, which is the approximate thickness of a credit card, avoiding the dry block seal. Fasten the end walls starting at the bottom. If the valve cartridge and shower nipples were removed, reinstall them now. Shim the back wall to close the seam between it and the end wall. Then fasten the back wall securely. Once the finished wallboard is installed, complete the installation by sealing the gap between the wallboard and the unit with 100% silicone sealant.